Women Unite, 10k Assemble, NFTs, latest news and developments. We'll be talking about NFT giveaways, and at the end of the video, we're going to be talking about my personal 10k Assemble NFT that if we get this video to 100 likes, I'm going to make that my official Twitter page pick. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that bell notification is lit up. Let's make sure we get these likes and retweets up as well. Let's go ahead and scroll down. I saw something that was very powerful that I want to get out to everyone. The only impossible journey is the one that you never begin. That reminds me of a quote from Confucius that is very powerful. A journey of 1,000 miles only begins with one single step. And that is huge and definitely my type of lingo. We have this right here. Let's send love to the 3 winners who won tickets to the next NFT virtual event. So sending them a lot of love, of course. We have this as well. Don't let the markets determine who you are. You have got this. Our beautiful model, Miss Kaina. Shout out to Miss Kaina for keeping us in the realm of positivity. That is huge for us. And this is a great source of, if you guys want to find positivity, if you guys, are having a bad day, definitely tap in with the Women Unite. And we're going to go ahead and get everybody up to date of what Women Unite 10K Assemble is all about. This is the second collection of Women Unite created by Miss Kaina and the original models. This unique collection is part of an entire ecosystem known as Women Unite Kingdom. The Wu Kingdom intends to represent the individuality, allure, and influence of womankind throughout fashion, photography, and NFTs. Where did the 10K women come from? According to the lore, they've gathered from all across the globe to unite as part of the Wu Kingdom in order to spread love, light, and positivity in the world. That is huge and definitely, like I said, my type of lingo. We search and gather more than 50 plus real life models in order to bring this collection into reality. Each of the 10K NFTs were equipped with various wardrobes and numerous accessories to assure that they are all uniquely different. That is huge right there. And this is a very powerful part right here that I do not want anybody to miss out. And this is why I'm behind this. The collection shares the same core values as part of the Women Unite projects, whose goal is to continue to empower, uplift, and assist women. Thus, we've allocated 10% of all royalties towards supporting women in need across the globe. That is very huge. And who wouldn't want to get behind that, okay? We have the floor price at a 0.2. And now let's check out my NFT right here. This is my official NFT. And of course, I have offers. I'm not letting this one go. Sorry to break some hearts. I love you guys, especially this one, manifesting abundance. That's what we do on this channel for sure. So yeah, this is my NFT right here. That is just epic right here. And if we get this video to 100 likes, this will be my NFT profile pic. And, I got to give a shout out to this model, Charlene. I'm part of the curly hair crew myself, so shout out to her. So let's get this video up to 100 likes to make this my profile pic. Leave some bullish comments down below. Leave some positivity. Let people know what the 10K Assemble is all about. And I want you guys to continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.